Use proper tools to open the back cover. Then disconnect the battery connector. The original battery connector may be loose after long-term use, so remove it carefully. And gently lift the battery from the edge with a plastic plain tool. Do not use metal tools to avoid punching the battery and causing fire. Pull out the battery adhesive. Remove the protective film and adhesive from the new battery. Align the connectors and place firmly until you hear a click. If the phone shows 1% battery and 1 charge after powering on, the connector may be loose. Press it again. After installation, check that battery health show 100%.